Getting information written by audience via different methods is the core technique in modern mentalism. That's something magicians have endlessly pursued. The birth of the asynchronous board has brought mentalism into the 21st century and seems to represent the pinnacle of this era. Today, we are proud to present you the Pitata Smart Whiteboard, the device of the future. As you may already know, the function of the synchronous board is to replicate what is drawn. We made some great features on it. The design and appearance of the prop are based on real-life objects. They may be the most common devices you have ever seen. It is absolutely impossible to suspect anything. The weight, durability, and signal connection have all been carefully thought out and adjusted. And the most important thing, Pitata. As the pioneer project of Pitata, the whiteboard carries the most important aspect of the Pitata app, its IoT function. With the Pitata app, you could AI recognition and voice broadcast. The text that is written by the audience is automatically recognized by the app, and broadcast is your Bluetooth headset. IoT, Internet of Things. The time written by the audience is automatically recognized by the app, and then the signal is sent to control the time hacker. This means that from beginning to end, you do not need to do anything but present the effect. The method takes care of itself. More Pitata products will be added to the ecosystem. We are very excited to share with you this today, and we believe this will be a brand new magic experience for you. Meet Pitata, meet the future.